Hi guys, I did really cool projects in some glitter that was sent to me, but I wanted to just give you a little bit of background on glitter because I love glitter. I really do. And it seems like ancient cultures held glitter in high regard and they incorporated it into their artwork and crafts. It's been used since ancient times to bring attention to important artifacts and those relating to the spiritual. The Egyptians used glitter to honor their gods and goddesses, while the Greeks and Romans use it to make their pottery and statues sparkle. Glitter has been used to enhance spiritual objects in many cultures over the centuries. Also, glitter has been used for spiritual practices, from the ancient Egyptians to the Native Americans. Glitter has been used to create a dreamlike atmosphere in ceremonies and rituals, as it is believed to attract good energy and bring about a positive outcome. It is said that if someone dreams of glitter, it is an indication of a spiritual transformation. Hopefully, I'll dream of glitter tonight. Glitter has often been used in rituals to ward off negative energy and to bring about good luck and prosperity. Using glitter to enhance spiritual objects is still popular today and can be seen in many religious ceremonies and events. Glitter is often used to decorate candles, and can also be used to create magical symbols and drawings. Glitter is also a popular choice for decorating sacred spaces and is believed to bring a sense of light and joy. And when I lived in Fredericksburg, I bought some glitter and put it in my gray paint, and I painted the walls of my bathroom with glitter, and it was so pretty. It wasn't overbearing, but when you went in there, you could see the glitter in the gray walls. Also, I would like to say and to thank Viza, I hope I'm saying it right. They sent me all this beautiful glitter. It's like holographic, ultra fine, like glitter powder, and you can use it in just about anything. Fake nails, epoxy tumblers, painting, slime, resin, art crafts. You can use it in anything. You can put it on your hair brushes, on the handles, on your like makeup brushes. You can enhance anything with these glitters. These glitters were absolutely gorgeous, as you will see. I started out, I wasn't sure really what I was going to do, but I decided to glitter just about everything that I could think of. So as we go along, I will tell you like what I am glittering. Well, as you can see, I'm opening the box that they sent me. And this glitter, oh my gosh, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's ultra fine. You can even use it in makeup. They have different little jars that can be used, and it's safe to use it in makeup, like your nails. I think, body glitter, eyeshadow. So, and you can see they sent me quite a lot. All right, so as you can see, I'm pulling them out of the box. That's a red. These are two different color reds. One of them's got a little bit of a brightness to it. The other one's a little bit richer. And this is like the black, and it's the navy blue. I was thinking of projects like Halloween, Christmas. This is the silver and the gold. And this is a gorgeous, like lavender purple, and then the silver. And this is the chunking glitter, which I think is so pretty. This is the really fine pink one. As you can see, this is the ones, this is a bronze, so pretty. They can be used in your makeup, which I'm going to try to use that in eyeshadow. I didn't do it on this video, but I will let you know when I try it out. That's the purple, which could be used for body glitter too. You can see it's got where you can spoon it out or you can shake it out. It's very convenient. It's tons too, guys. It's a lot of glitter in there. I don't think I could use all that glitter in a year's time. It's a lot of it. And there's all the colors, as you can see what they were happy to share with me. And I'll be honest with you, I would buy this glitter any day of the week. It's gorgeous glitter. And you can go on Amazon. My daughter's going to link it down below. All right, first I started out with the black, and I have this, it's like a wine bottle, and I'm pouring in some Mod Podge. And I'm painting the bottle. Sorry about that. I'm painting the bottle with Mod Podge first. And now I'm just going to pour the glitter over it. Look how gorgeous it is. It sparkles. So pretty. Next, and you're going to see next I'm doing, I'll show you at the very end too how they all turn out because you had to let it dry. This is just like I got this from Dollar Tree. And this paint, I think I probably got it from a craft store. This is the chalk paint I got from Walmart and it was marked down, so I bought that one. It's like a reddish one. See how pretty that pink is? I'm just going to slather it on with my paintbrush. Love this color. It's like a rose, really pretty rose color. Rose pink. I wasn't really sure what I was going to do. And I did like have to think about this for a while to really figure out what I wanted to do with it. I had done some other artwork about a year ago, which I'm not sure, maybe my daughter can put a link to it down below, which is a little bit different because I do like doing some painting and artwork and actually just gluing different pieces of art onto it. Like I was going to do like lace and beads and stuff like that, but honestly it wasn't resonating with me. So I wasn't like really thrilled at how it turned out, so I decided to do something else, which you will see later on. Now I did let this dry, so I let the painting dry. And I'm just dividing it. I'm putting some Mod Podge down. I just put the paper down just to like give me some edges onto it. And now I'm going to sprinkle this gorgeous red, as you can see. And with the glitter, you know, you have to let it dry. It's just, if you don't let it dry, it's going to go all over the place. Now I'm using this chunky glitter. Look how pretty that is. The sparkles with these glitters are just gorgeous. They are. Look how pretty that is. That is the chunky. It's like a violet. Next, I'm using that gorgeous silver chunky glitter. Now, I did let the middle part, which was the red, dry, and I had shaken it off, so don't think that it's still wet because you want to make sure that you dry that middle part first. All right, next, this was sort of cool. I wasn't really sure what I was going to do with the jars, but I had bought some at the Dollar Tree. And right now I am squirting Mod Podge into it. Now I will say I think I put too much Mod Podge, so just beware if you try to do this. And the other thing I would do is probably, I took a paintbrush afterwards and try to get it all over the place. But I would probably, when I realized the end part, I would probably wait a day or two and do it again. But I mean, it was gorgeous when it finished. It really was. And if you wanted to, you could put lights in it. I didn't. But I'm just taking the paintbrush now and getting the spots so that everything is covered. And this glitter is very, very fine. It's like the ultra fine gold glitter. Look how gorgeous that is. I'd like to have a dress made out of that. Isn't that beautiful? Now you can, I was reading up on different glitter techniques. You can like take a, which I might do down the road again. You can take like a shirt or even cuffs on your sleeves, and you can get some fabric glue and sprinkle some of this glitter on that also. I will try that down the road. I didn't have a lot of stuff to work with because we were thinking about moving again. So a lot of my stuff is packed up. But we're having trouble selling my house, of course. It's not the greatest market right now with interest rates always going up. So we might be here for a while. And as you can see, I'm just pouring glitter in there, shaking it up really hard so that it reaches everywhere. So make sure you shake it really good. Put a lot of glitter. And you do have to let this dry. I dried it overnight. Okay, like I said, we're letting all this dry and we're going to show everything at the end. All right, I had this cute little keychain and you can pull it apart. You can put pictures in it. I decided to put glitter in it. Yeah, a glitter keychain. And it's really pretty tight, so I don't think it's going to fall out. But I just took a keychain. I think you could get them probably at Walmart. You usually put your kids' pictures in it. I put glitter in it. But it's a keychain. How cute is that? It turned out so pretty. You know, kids, especially if you have little kids, they like to shake everything up and down. All right, next is a Christmas ornament. You can do Christmas ornaments with any kind of glitter. I'm just pouring the glitter in there, just sort of like what I did with the little keychain. You can pour it like half, or you can even fill it up all the way if you want to. And there it is. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at the sparkle. It really does sparkle. And then you can give these as gifts, put a bow on it, and give it as a Christmas present. All right, next, this was going to be a common, like a calm type jar. I was putting that gorgeous purple chunky glitter. I got this recipe off of, I put a little bit of gold in there too. Got this recipe off of Pinterest, and now I'm just squeezing some glitter glue in there. I was just pouring some of this in there. Sometimes it would make it like a little more like texture when it falls down, but honestly it didn't work the way I wanted it to. I think I would do sequins next time. I think sequins would do better, but because I have everything packed and ready to move, I couldn't find them. Are you just going to shake it? And then you're going to add warm water. You're going to put a tiny, I think I put too much soap in it, guys. Honestly, I did. Just put a couple drops. I put more than a couple drops. And then you shake it up. And I'm going to add some more glitter. I'm going to add a little bit more glycerin. The glycerin will help it from sticking, all the glitter to stick. Now I'm going to put a couple drops of red and I think red and blue, I believe. Yeah, blue drops of food coloring. So it would color the water. Isn't that gorgeous? Now I did get rid of some of the bubbles the next day. I opened them up, but yeah. That is just so pretty. You would, if you're going to give it to a kid, you want to definitely super glue the lid around it so it doesn't come apart. Next is I had this little bird, and I thought I hadn't really done anything with it other than paint its eyes. I'd painted it white, and I never did anything with it. So now I am going to glitter this little bird. Actually, I could glitter everything in my house, I'll be honest with you. I'm a glitter person anyway. I love sparkles. She leaves little sparkles everywhere she goes. Okay, so the bird's all glittered. I did glitter my little outlet, which you'll see. I once in Fredericksburg glittered all my little outlets with a silver glitter. Here I had this black and my wall is blue, so it turned out really pretty. And here are the items. That gold is gorgeous. Look at that. You can put lights in it. I didn't have any available. There is my artwork. Isn't that pretty? That would be pretty in a bathroom or a guest room. Yeah, look how pretty that is. It's gorgeous glitter. There's a little keychain that sparkles too. There's my little bird and my outlet cover and my wine bottle. I think that turned out really pretty too. And there's the jar. A lot of little kids will just watch it. They thought we were so pretty. My little ones loved it. And guys, if you would subscribe, hit the like button and notification bell. And the next time around, we hope that we'll have another video for you. And we want you to just take care. Thank you so much. Love you. And have a great day. Bye.